Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to your class, your grammar class. So, did you all prepare your pronoun? Did you all do it? I suppose yes, my children are good. They prepared the lesson in their house. I sent you assignment also. Did you all get it? Please collect it and write it in your grammar book with a pencil. And today I am going to teach next part of the lesson, that is the demonstrative pronoun. Now see what this demonstrative pronoun is. My children, you will come across this word demonstration. What is the meaning of this demonstration, demonstrative? What is the meaning of this? This means to point out. When you are pointing out something, this, that, those, okay, these. So these are all demonstrative words, means it points out. So these are in pronoun. These words are known as demonstrative pronoun. So, for singular and plural, just see, I am just telling you, for the singular words, when you denote the singular words, when you point out the singular words, which is near you, for a singular word which is near you, that is you point out with this. So, you point out with this. When it is in the plural form, okay, near but plural form, that is these. T-H-E-S-E. Don't forget this. These. And when we talk about the far objects for the singular, then that. Then it is that. So it is pointing out that far object. That house is blue in color. Okay. That is a big building. But this is a red pen. This is a red pen, a singular, one pen. This is a red pen. That is a blue house. Okay, that is a 4-storied building. So when you are pointing out to a singular object, that is this. When you are pointing out to the far off object, that is that. In case of singular word, singular pronoun. Then, for plural, when you are pointing out to the near objects, see these are pens. These are marker pens. These. Plural. So many are over here. So it is plural. These. Then, when I go for the plural, far off objects, many buildings. Those are buildings. Those are buildings in the 6th block. Those buildings are there in the 6th block. Those are 6th block buildings. So if I talk about that, then those. When I talk about plural words. Okay? Now, so this thing is clear to you, my children, I think so. So these are demonstrative pronoun. I'll go for some sentences, I will tell you. See this. See. That is my friend. These are balloons. What is this? That is a tall tree. Those are big apples. That is Jatin's house. What are those? Those are his shoes. This is a pretty dress. Those are watercolors. Just see this. This is for the singular. Near object, singular, this. Then that, singular, far off objects, that, far off object, singular. See, plural, near objects, plural, these are puppies. Then see, those are kittens if it is far away. Now it's clear to you, my dear children. I think so it's clear to you. Now the exercises are given over here with this and those. Okay, this, these and those. So this I did over here, my dear children. You will find it in your assignment. I will send it to you. Okay, for the near objects what I did and for the far off objects what I did, you will apply your own intelligence and you will do it. So these are shirts I like. So these, THEAC, because THIS, this means only one shirt, but it's given over here shirts, plural is given over here, see, shirts. So I have to use these. THI is this and these is the last ice cream cone, so it is talking about the singular, so I have to use this. I have to use THI is this because it stands for the singular one. Okay, then these and that are tasty cookies, so cookies it's talking about, so that will not do, that stands for the singular and these stands for plural. So like this I did over here all this. So there are, this I completed very nicely. All of you please see, you will get in your homework assignment and you please copy it in your grammar book. But before that you have to do it yourself. You have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to do it yourself. Keep this conception in mind and you do it. You can do it, my dear children. There. So demonstrative pronoun is clear to you. Now I am going to the other one. Now, to the pronoun part where I am going is interrogative. Now, what is interrogative? Interrogative means to ask question. To ask question, that is interrogative. So, the words in pronoun that ask question, that is interrogative pronoun. So, what are those? Who, where, what, which, these are all interrogative pronoun. Now the question is over here. So a pronoun that asks a question is called a interrogative pronoun. Just see this definition you have to learn by heart. Here, a pronoun that asks a question is called an interrogative pronoun. So what is an interrogative pronoun? So this one you have to learn by heart. Okay, now words what, which, who, where, whose and how are interrogative pronouns. So this you have to keep in your mind. You see the page number what it is? It is page number 54. See the sentences. Who is the Chief Minister of Delhi? Who was at the door? Where do you live? Where is your mother? What is the date today? What is the name of your sister? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the longest river in the world? Who are these? Whose are the shoes? Who is on the phone? How are you doing? How is the weather today? So these are the sentences. Now there is interrogative pronoun and this you have to see very properly, and interrogative adjective. Just keep this in mind. The words are same. The words are which and what. The words are which and what. The two words which and what. This both stands for interrogative pronoun also and interrogative adjective also. So how will you know in a sentence that that is an interrogative pronoun or that is an interrogative adjective? How will you know? Now it's coming in your mind, ma'am, how will we know this? No need to worry, it's very easy, I'm just telling you. Now, in case of interrogative pronoun, after the interrogative pronoun, that is which or what, you find a verb. Just after that. So, you find a verb. And in interrogative adjective, just after which and what, you find a noun in it. Am I clear to you? You find a noun just after that. Suppose the sentence, if I tell you, so, And over here I write interrogative adjective. I just write in short, okay, adjective ADJ. Just keep it in mind. Now, the two sentences I will tell you like this. With what? First I take the example of the word what. It is used as interrogative pronoun also and interrogative adjective also. So how? Depending on the position of the word, how it is placed, you will distinguish the sentence that it is a interrogative pronoun or it is a interrogative adjective. Just see the sentence. See these two sentences. It's not given in your book. What is your name? Here is also the word is what. Over here also the word is what. So how will you know that it is an interrogative? I wrote over here interrogative adjective. That's why you know it is interrogative adjective, and here adjective. I gave it interrogative pronoun, so you know it. See, following after this, the word just after what is verb. And over here you see, just the word after this is a noun. So, when it is just after it is a noun, then it is an interrogative adjective. And over here just it is a supporting verb, then you see that it is a interrogative pronoun. I am clear to you, my dear children? Just keep this in mind, that after what or after which, if you find the verb just after it, then it is an interrogative pronoun. And a noun just after this what, then you see it's a interrogative adjective. Just keep this in mind. Now I'm clear to you. So this you find with only with the two words, that is what and which. Now with which, if I tell you the sentence, which purse is yours? No, not which purse. Which is your purse? And here, see the sentences over here. Which is your purse? See, this is. After which you find the verb over here. So it is an interrogative pronoun. After which you find the noun over here. So it is a interrogative adjective. Make this conception clear, my dear children. It's clear to you? Now I am rubbing the board. So I think so. In this chapter, in this particularly interrogative pronoun, this thing I had to make your conception clear regarding this, and I think so it's clear to you. Okay, now I am going to the next part of the pronoun. That is your reflexive pronoun. So reflexive pronoun, I think so I will do it in the next class. Okay, I will do it in the next class. With these two pronouns, you just read it very nicely. In the reflexive pronoun, you have to I have to explain you in details. These two were short, so I explained it to you. But regarding the reflexive pronoun, I have to explain it to you in details. Why it is reflexing, why in what it is giving the emphasis. Okay, I myself, you yourself. This emphasis, this importance is giving to you. So regarding this chapter, in your next class, I will do this. Okay. No, I think so. So first person singular, second person. So this I have to teach you. Okay, in the next class I'll take one more class. I'll do the recap of that class also, and I will teach you the reflexive pronoun also, and that is very important. So my dear children, till then, bye bye. All of you, please do your work properly, and you will get it in your homework assignment. Bye bye, children. Stay safe.